This could be the car for you. The 2024 Honda CR-V Hybrid. Satisfy your desire for adventure in comfort and style in this highly efficient CR-V Hybrid. You'll love its distinctive minimalist layout, spacious cabin equipped with an impressive suite of desirable infotainment tech, and its generous array of standard driver assist safety features. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, moonroof, keyless entry, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, adaptive cruise control. Standout style blends beautifully with eco-friendly efficiency in this handsome CR-V Hybrid. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.